basket with orange colored dolphin rings. What is this dolphin ring all about? It's a game we...
Since the beginning of time, one animal has captivated the human imagination. With their enigmatic style and playful nature, dolphins are the guardians of the ocean. Highly intelligent, easy, incredible animals have evolved into more than 50 species, inhabiting our oceans, seas, and rivers. Today, we welcome you to join us in this amazing journey as we dive into the world of the cosmos.
Ladies and gentlemen, this lovely seal, her name is Adela Trainer Sergey. You know, friends, also beautiful one. Adela is 8 years old. The joy, the pride, she's so excited to meet everyone. Wait a minute, stronger. Power to love, bringing the moment to shine. She's so excited. Wait a minute, some dancing. With round and round, the beautiful one moment to shine of the year. It's super cool. He's fantastic. She's so happy. Love. Bring it to your frame. The lovely seal, Adela, is so excited to meet everyone here. But now wait a moment. Something is happening. Where is she going? It's all love to the board. Special dancing. She's bringing on together. She loves to play. Hey, wait a minute. Look at the rings. It's time to fly by. Let's play. Come on, you got this. One hand. Keep it going, keep it going. In lane. Let's roll, let's roll. And the lapping. Wow. One more, one more. Wow! Almost there, Arba. Bring it up to the frame. But you know, friends, this is Dubai Golf Union. Arba, get a little way. Get a move. Hold around. DJ Wing, DJ Sam. Let's ready to rumble.
What happened?
I'm gonna keep going. 3. Oh yes. 4. You can see seals are black for papers. superstars Luna is here. This is Dolphin Gabriel. Performing lady is Olga Privier. They are bold, they are so adorable. Well, sit tight, clap your tail, dolphins. People, clap your hands. Come on! It's a magic. It's a lovely one. You know the dolphin you're watching? We call them the bottlenose dolphins. Sit tight, relax, and enjoy the show with these beautiful mammals that are feet yalla. Everyone now, let's do a picture movement. So everyone, focus your eyes and your camera on the front stage. The dolphin will come to say hello to everyone. Assalamu alaikum, namaste. You get ready to power the move. Here we are. Dolphins. Cameras ready. They are coming. Ladies first. Luna, 7 years old. Thank you, darling. We got Gabriel, 10 years old. Thank you, handsome boy. Here we are. The two best friends of dolphins are bringing out together. Using magic, we bring the power. DJ, say what? You taste like cola. We bring to the hallway. Now let's talk about the dolphin speed. How fast a dolphin can swim, saving people from drowning in the water. We get ready for the rescue. Ready, set, fire! Dolphins can swim away 42 kilometers from away in the house. Right now, enjoy. It's time for the rescue, time to play some games. Come on, dolphin, it's time to play some games. It's time to have fun. Catching the love. Friends, some people ask me, hey Sid, why these dolphins are so clever? Because these dolphins have mentality like a 5 to 6 year old human child. That's why they are the second intelligent mammals. If they are second, who is number one? We call them the chimpanzees. They use it up all the way to bring their ball. To get the frame. Yeah, this is DJ Win's favorite part to get the frame. Right now, right to the ball. To the wonders, they play together always as a family. They use the power of the tail. The tail is called a fluke. Whenever we talk about the species of dolphins, there are 42 species of dolphins living around the world. The largest species are called the orca. The smallest are called the mahi. These dolphins you're watching are the bottlenose dolphins. Catch them all. Yassala! Rolling to the mountain, rolling with joy. Everybody look up to the red ball, to the pink ball. It's time to fly now. It's time to bring a magic moment. It's time to show you how dolphins are incredible. But they can jump 6 to 7 meters above the water level. And bring it to get free. Right away. Right now. do it together. One more time. All right, everyone now listen to me very carefully. Put your mobile phones down and everybody. Let me tell you something.